Vaccines have quietly revolutionized the story of human health, and today I invite you to journey through the remarkable narrative of these tiny titans. Imagine an expansive timeline where diseases that once brought widespread fear are now remembered only in history books, all thanks to these powerful scientific interventions. In the grand tapestry of medical breakthroughs, vaccines stand out as unsung heroes, who have not only altered individual lives but have reshaped entire communities. Picture the relentless march of history, from the dark days dominated by smallpox and polio to the modern era where these diseases are all but vanquished. This narrative unfolds as a testament to human ingenuity, where science and care have converged to create formidable defenses against microscopic invaders. As we embark on this exploration, I invite you to envision our body's immune system as a complex fortress, and vaccines as the master strategists who train the defenders. Together, we will uncover how these innovative tools work in harmony with our natural defenses, transforming potential threats into opportunities for lasting immunity. Let the story of these tiny titans remind us that even the smallest advances can have profound impacts on the journey towards a healthier world. Deep within each of us exists an extraordinary defense network, a marvel of biological engineering known as the immune system. In this narrative, I cast light on how our bodies continually work behind the scenes, warding off countless invaders that seek to disrupt our well-being. Visualize a bustling fortress where vigilant soldiers, white blood cells, antibodies, and memory cells, diligently patrol every corner. Each of these defenders has a unique role. Some identify and neutralize threats, while others remember past battles, ensuring that any reappearance of an enemy is met with swift and decisive action. This hidden world is governed by principles of recognition and swift response. When a foreign organism enters the body, it triggers a well-coordinated response that mobilizes these defenders into action. It is as if the immune system holds a vivid, internal catalog of wanted invaders, ready to deploy its arsenal at a moment's notice. The narrative here paints the immune system as not only a series of chemical and cellular processes but also a dynamic story of resilience and preparedness. Understanding this inner world lays the vital groundwork for comprehending how vaccines can gently instruct this fortress to stand stronger, avoiding the chaos of real infections by preparing it in advance for any possible attack. In the unfolding tale of immunity, vaccines emerge as the precise architects of protection. Their mission is elegant and simple: train the immune system, without subjecting the body to the full force of an actual infection. Imagine a skilled mentor showing young recruits exactly how to identify a foe by providing a detailed, wanted poster of a dangerous enemy. Vaccines achieve this remarkable feat by introducing a harmless component, a weakened, inactivated, or carefully engineered fragment of a pathogen, that is enough to awaken the body's defenses. Through this subtle training, the immune system learns to produce specialized antibodies and generate memory cells, both of which stand ever ready to counter a genuine attack. It is not an overwhelming demonstration but a strategic rehearsal, ensuring that when a real pathogen strikes, the body instantly recognizes and neutralizes it before the infection can take hold. This narrative seamlessly blends the scientific with the familiar, comparing the process to rehearsing a crucial performance where every participant knows their role. The eventual result is a well-prepared immune system that can effectively stave off illness, sparing individuals from severe symptoms and long-term complications. Like a well-oiled machine or a carefully choreographed dance, the collaboration between the vaccine and the immune system becomes a living proof of science's ability to protect, heal, and transform the potential for danger into a proactive shield, a true testament to the power of these tiny titans. As our narrative deepens, it is time to explore the full arsenal of vaccines, each crafted with its distinct approach to securing immunity. In this recounting, we begin with live-attenuated vaccines. These vaccines contain a version of the living pathogen that has been weakened just enough to be harmless. I describe them as tamed warriors that spark robust and long-lasting immune responses, often requiring only 1 or 2 doses. The story then shifts focus to inactivated vaccines, trusted protectors that use a killed version of the pathogen. Though these may require multiple shots to build immunity, their safety and stability have earned them a valued spot in public health strategies worldwide. Moving further, the narrative introduces subunit, recombinant, polysaccharide, and conjugate vaccines. These formulations employ specific components of the pathogen, whether it is a protein, a sugar molecule, or a combination, to trigger a precise and targeted immune response while minimizing side effects. This section also brings forth the tale of toxoid vaccines, crafted specifically to counteract toxins produced by bacteria. In these cases, the vaccine neutralizes the harmful effects by using an inactivated toxin, a clever adaptation that protects without causing disease. The narrative reaches modern heights with mRNA vaccines, a revolutionary concept where messenger RNA carries instructions to produce a key protein of the pathogen. This innovation not only sidesteps the use of live agents but also marks a significant leap forward in vaccine technology. By weaving in relatable examples and historical milestones, from diseases like measles and influenza to modern challenges such as COVID-19, the story illustrates how each vaccine type plays its unique role. Together, these varied approaches form a comprehensive defense system, ensuring that no matter the nature of the enemy, there is a tailor-made solution ready to fortify our immune response. The journey through this diverse arsenal reinforces the understanding that innovation and adaptation are key to overcoming the ever-evolving challenges of infectious diseases. Beyond their role as personal defenders, vaccines stand as stalwart guardians for entire communities. In this part of the narrative, I weave a tale that highlights how these medical marvels work on two crucial levels: individual protection and collective well-being. At an individual level, vaccines act like a personalized guard, dramatically lowering the risk of contracting severe illnesses. The body, once trained by a vaccine, is better prepared to manage the infection, resulting in less severe symptoms and a quicker recovery. Imagine a well-prepared watchtower, where each vaccination strengthens the walls surrounding an individual's health. The narrative then expands to embrace the broader concept of herd immunity. When enough people in a community are vaccinated, the spread of disease is halted, creating a protective barrier around even those who cannot be vaccinated due to medical conditions. This phenomenon is akin to a neighborhood of vigilant guardians where each person's protection contributes to the safety of the entire community. Vulnerable members, be it infants with underdeveloped defenses or individuals with compromised immune systems, benefit from this collective shield. The message is clear and relatable. Vaccination is not merely a personal endeavor but a shared responsibility, one that fortifies the entire community against outbreaks. Together, the individual and community benefits form a powerful narrative of solidarity and resilience. Every vaccinated person adds a crucial link in the chain of public health, demonstrating that our collective well-being is intricately connected. This unified approach creates a vision of a healthier future, where diseases are kept at bay through a concerted effort, and every small act of getting vaccinated contributes to the greater good. No story is complete without addressing the shadows of doubt that occasionally obscure truth. In this segment, I methodically dismantle common misconceptions surrounding vaccines, ensuring that fear is replaced by fact. One persistent myth is the ill-founded claim linking vaccines to autism. Extensive research, conducted over many years, has repeatedly disproven any such connection. The narrative continues by clarifying concerns about harmful toxins. Each ingredient in a vaccine is present only in trace amounts and serves a specific, tested purpose that guarantees safety. Likewise, the notion that natural infections yield better immunity is carefully reconsidered. The risks inherent in contracting a full-blown disease far outweigh the benefits, while vaccines provide a safe path to effective immunity. Another frequently encountered concern is that vaccines might overload the immune system, yet this ignores the reality that our bodies manage countless antigens daily with ease. By elucidating these points in clear and approachable language, the narrative dispels misinformation that breeds uncertainty. Every myth is replaced with dependable, research-backed information. This section underscores a reassuring message. Science and compassion stand together to ensure that the power of vaccines remains a beacon of trust. With clarity and precision, the path to understanding is unclouded, inviting every individual to embrace vaccines as an essential ally in the quest for health. As our journey nears its conclusion, the narrative gazes forward to the promising future of vaccination. Advances in technology and ongoing research continue to refine these remarkable tools, adapting them to emerging health challenges with innovation and care. Each new vaccine brings us closer to a world where diseases are kept at bay, and communities thrive in robust health. In this hopeful vision, science remains a steadfast companion, illuminating the path toward a healthier tomorrow. The story of vaccines is one of resilience, progress, and collective strength, an enduring tribute to the tiny titans that empower us all.